In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate a domain in Systemi.io. Authenticating your domain is essential if you want your emails to reach inboxes reliably and build trust with your audience. It helps prevent your messages from being flagged as spam and tells email providers that Systemi.io is authorized to send on your behalf. First, sign into your Systemi.io account. It's easiest to do this on a desktop browser so you can quickly copy and paste information. Once you're in, head to Settings, then click Domains. This page lists the domains connected to your account and is where you manage authentication. Choose the domain you want to authenticate. When you select it, Systemi.io will display the DNS records you need to add. You'll typically see entries such as SPF and DKIM, and in some cases, a CNAME. Think of these as digital signatures. SPF declares which services are allowed to send email for your domain. DKIM adds a cryptographic signature that proves emails really came from you. A SNAME may be provided for additional verification or tracking. You'll see the exact record type, the host or name field, and the value or target you must copy. Next, log into your domain registrar, the place where you manage your domain's DNS settings. This might be a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Open the DNS management or zone editor for your domain. Create new DNS records that match what Systemi.io provided. For each record, choose the correct type shown by Systemi.io, often TXT for SPF and DKIM, and sometimes CNAME. In the host or name field, enter exactly what's shown. Some registrars use the symbol @ for the root domain. Others may leave the field blank or automatically append your domain, so follow your provider's format. Then paste the value or target exactly as given, without extra spaces or changes. Leave TTL at its default if you're unsure. The standard value works fine. Save each record before moving on to the next. A quick tip, your domain should have only one SPF record. If you see an existing SPF entry, you may need to combine the includes rather than create a second one. Also, long DKIM values must be pasted in full, avoid line breaks or added characters. After you save the records, DNS updates can take time to propagate. It's normal for this to take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on your provider. Once the changes settle, System.io will recognize them and your domain will be authenticated behind the scenes. That's all there is to it. Clean, secure, and ready for reliable email sending.